What's up, everybody, and welcome back to day number 16. We got some exciting stuff today going on, so I'll be sharing more with you right after the intro. Alright, so it's time to feed these dogs, get all my gear together, and head out the door because I'm headed to Second Loop today to build a tank. Alright guys, I just got to Second Loop Gym. I have the tank behind me. I'm going to be shooting a time lapse to show you guys it getting put together, so hope you guys enjoy this. Alright guys, I just got done putting together the tank that's right behind me. It's pretty cool. I got a couple shots of us pushing it around after getting it put together. Yeah, that was pretty funny. Anyways, but I pushed record on the time lapse. It didn't work. Sucks, but I gotta move to Bethune, so I'm gonna head to Bethune and get that put together. There's Shannon back behind me. She's coming to check things out over here at the Second Loop Gym, and we're gonna keep on moving down the road. Alright you guys, I just showed up to Bethune, so this grass behind me is pretty rough, and then there's a part on the other side that I typically mow during the summertime and just kind of keep it kept out here. So what I'm going to do is unload everything and then go ahead and start mowing. One thing I'm going to have to be careful with is to make sure I don't step in an ant pile, because every time I mow grass it seems like I stick my foot in a damn ant pile. So that wraps it up. This side over here was the Fitness World building. The one on the other side is the dollar store. I just went ahead and mowed theirs as well, just to be nice, because you know I'm already out here with the lawnmower and it's the right thing to do. So I would like that. So anyways, I'm done with this. I gotta do the other side of the building, and then that will wrap up Bethune, and then I'll be working my way back towards I think Darlington. I think I'm going to head to Darlington. I haven't made up my mind yet. We'll figure that out a little bit, guys. Let's get down. Let's get to the other side of the building. Alright guys, if you were watching that, you seen that I hit a brick. Yeah, there was a brick buried underneath the dirt, and I guess some of it was sticking out in between all the weeds and everything, and when the lawnmower went over it, you know, it got stuck and then it stopped the lawnmower. Unfortunately, what had happened underneath is it had bent the blade a little bit, which led me to looking at the blade, and it's pretty doggone dull. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this blade and then go ahead and sharpen it one more time. So I will share that with y'all. That looks pretty straight right there if you look at the other side. Actually, it would be this side. See how it's like straight, but it's a little crooked for the angle of the way it goes. it's straight with a little, just the same kind of way. So I think that's gonna work. Yeah, it's hot. I burnt the shit out of my hand just now on accident, but let's go ahead and grind this up real fast. That should work pretty well, but if it takes another good whack by a rock, we probably better call it off, just because now that I've heated it up, the integrity of the metal has been jeopardized one time. There's no sense in doing it again. Doggone, I burnt the shit out of my hand.